Hi, John Haynes with Haynes Properties, and today we're at the Huckleberry neighborhood in Mill Creek, where I want to show you our newest listing. This home is truly exclusive. Right now in the city of Mill Creek, there are 3 residential homes that are available to be purchased. So let's go up and let's look at the 4th. This classic 1979 Mill Creek home has been tastefully updated throughout. One of my favorite parts is the kitchen. And don't forget, not 1, but 2 appliance garages. A little further down, we'll find the built-in Bosch refrigerator. You don't even know this thing's here. Out back, you'll find this matching outbuilding, which you could use for a he shed, a she shed, or throw the kids out here for their own kid cave. Welcome to your spa-like ensuite with your freestanding soaking tub, spa-like shower, water closet, and double sink. Another one of my favorite features are these beautiful composite Anderson windows. So if you're looking for a beautifully updated home or any home in Mill Creek, give us a call.